Good afternoon, everybody. We have a great Mother's Day video today. Maybe we can make that for Grammy, huh? What do you think, Gabby? So we're going to do a really crazy, cool lemon sour cream pound cake with the cream cheese stuffing. Right now, Gabby is cutting up strawberries, slow and gentle, and she's going to squeeze a little bit of lemon and orange juice for our mixture right here. So right here we have a little bit of Tahitian vanilla bean. We have orange and lemon juice, maybe a seed, of course, local honey. You know, I think we got a request on how local the honey is, and I think we're talking yards, not miles, you know, on the honey. So we're going to blend the cream cheese up. Again, lemon, orange, vanilla beans, honey. I'm going to get the burner going. So let's talk about the strawberries a little bit, though. Aren't these beautiful? We've picked these over the last few days in the garden. We planted these strawberries spring of 2019. Didn't harvest. Yes, we did. We didn't harvest any of those, so the plant would really flourish and take runners and everything. But certainly beautiful. Let's also talk about what Mother Nature gave us. Isn't that great? For the individual that just cut the cap off and put it on a fruit tray is not only a misdemeanor, but it's a felony. You know, if Mother Nature is going to give you this, then you should use it for just what it is, right? Good job. So, back to the cream cheese. We're going to put this in the pastry bag. Notice how I have the pastry bag that looks like Pac-Man. You know, so you open it up, so it's really easy to load this cream cheese in, just like so. Okay? So we're going to fold the pastry bag down, and this will be our stuffing. Next, we're going to move over to the French toast batter. A little bit of egg, a little bit of cinnamon, and this is going to be really cool because we're going to give it an amazing flavor with a little bit of sage flower in here. So I'm going to take these sage flowers and seed them, or excuse me, take the flowers off, and we're going to dice this up. Yeah, in the plants.
You can plant you can plant these.
We can plant lemons?
Yeah.
Well, it'll be hard to grow in Tennessee though, won't it? So, sage flowers in the batter, okay? Skillet's back on. So, like so.
I do not know where the seeds are.
If you could smell wait till you smell the sage. Sage, just not for turkey stuffing. So you got the cinnamon, the sugar, the cream cheese, and the sage all working together. Cream cheese spread. By the way, when we made this cream cheese spread, we ran the mixer backwards, so it's decalorized, right? Do you like decalorized? So what a start we have here. Wouldn't everybody be happy for Mother's Day with this dish here? Look at the color on that. Egg, the sage. And in a few seconds, in the next video, we're going to show you a really cool plate presentation. We're going to flambe some strawberries and have a great lunch. I'll see you soon.